guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, thank you so much for tuning in. You don't know how much I appreciate you guys for that. And as you guys can see, today's tutorial is going to be a cloud eye type of tutorial. I have honestly never even bothered to try to create this look or actually fall through with it. I don't know, I just felt like I wasn't gonna be able to do it. And it's not all that good, you know. It's like a basic cloud eyeshadow. I did the best I could for my first time. But that's why I didn't go ahead and record, because I wasn't sure if I was gonna be able to get it done or not. But we kind of did get it done. Look at that. It's not such a perfect cloud, but clouds aren't perfect, so that's my cloud right there. And now we're gonna go ahead and move on to doing this eye. Hopefully we're able to get it done as even as possible so it can match this one. We're gonna go ahead and start by applying concealer to this eye. So for today's eyeshadow tutorial, we're gonna be using our Take Me Back to Brazil eyeshadow palette, and that's this one right here. We are gonna be using this pink right here and then this pink up here. I am using my Morphe 506, which is this brush right here. And for the other pink, I'm using the Morphe M507, which is this one right here. It's just a little bit less fluffy than this one right here. I'm gonna dig into the pink at the top first, and I'm just applying the shadow directly onto my crease. Okay, now that we went ahead and packed on that dark pink, we're gonna go ahead and grab the other bright pink that I showed you guys, and we're gonna just pack it up here. Now let's go ahead and just quickly blend that out. And I just lightly blend out the edges. So that's a pretty blended out already. Now we're gonna go ahead and grab our white concealer, which is this Morphe one that we're using. I was using this flat brush right here, and this is from Onmore, and this is a medium shader brush number 2. And I ordered a set of these I actually ordered the set of these brushes from AliExpress. Okay, so this is the part where I fucked up, because since I don't know exactly how to create the cloud look, I was applying them, I guess, 2 together, and that's why it looks a little like that. But it's okay for our first attempt. There's space for mistakes and there's space for learning, so it's alright. So I'm gonna go ahead and start by first applying the big one I did, which is over here. Okay, you see that? No, we have to go back in right now. Okay, so I really couldn't do it on camera. As y'all can see, it didn't even come out that well. I think I just need a better brush. But we're gonna leave this as is for now, and we're just gonna start shading in. Well, I already started, huh? And I'm using a shimmer from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. Now I'm gonna go in with ring light, and I'm gonna put that on top. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and add a bit of this blue to my cloud, and not really in any direction. I'm just gonna blend it in there. And so this, I'm just applying it right here, because I don't really have I just want to add a bit of different colors to the clouds, you know. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and go in with this eyeliner that I also bought from the Vanity Box in Downey. And I'm just gonna create those little same dots that I did on this side to this side. I know this cloud probably looks more white than the other one does, huh? I think because I applied more shimmer to it. Let me see. Now we're gonna go ahead and apply our lash. While my glue dries on my lash, we're gonna go ahead and apply our shimmer to our brow bone, and we're gonna be using ring light from the James Charles palette. Okay, now that we went ahead and applied our lashes, now I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the rest of our face. And for foundation, we're gonna use the same one that we used yesterday, which was the Wet n Wild what is it, photo focus foundation, and it's this one right here. Since we already know it's not a full coverage foundation, we're gonna go ahead and apply a whole lot. The beauty blender that we're gonna be using today is our Real Techniques beauty blender. Anyway, I'm trying to fix my little mirror. I'm not sure if I mentioned to you guys the primer that we used today. Today we're using the NYX Honey Do Me Up primer. Okay, now that we went ahead and applied our 3 layers of foundation with this Wet n Wild foundation, we're gonna go ahead and apply our concealer now. For concealer, we are using our Maybelline in the color 20, and that's a Sand Sable. And I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this the same way as always. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab this beauty blender that I use for concealer. I just haven't used it in a while, and I cannot remember from what brand it is. I think it's Real Techniques, but I'm not sure. For our setting powder, we're gonna be using our new Beauty Bakery Flower, which is this one right here in translucent. I'm gonna be using that same beauty blender that I used to apply my concealer to apply my setting powder. This time we're actually gonna just go ahead and set all our face. So I'm just gonna like apply it everywhere. Since I'm not gonna be baking, I'm just gonna quickly dust all this off. Now we're gonna go ahead and grab like a bigger fluffy brush, and I'm gonna use this one. It's from Scone, and it's like a blending brush. It's this one right here. And I'm digging into those 2 pinks that I've been using. Okay, and then we're just gonna be adding like little clouds like this to each side, but I just wanted to go ahead and do this real quick just so I can get an idea of what it's gonna be looking like. Now we're just gonna go ahead and continue on adding more color to our face. So this is what we have so far. I had to go ahead and like just adjust to like 2 big clouds right here because I was not liking how the smaller ones were looking, or how I actually applied it mainly. So since I didn't want to like have to rub off all my makeup, I just went ahead and traced out 2 bigger clouds. Okay, so now let's just go ahead and kind of like finish shading the rest of our forehead. What the heck? And let's just do like all kinds of clouds. And the blue that I'm using is this one. Where is it at? It's this one right here. Okay, so we're gonna kind of like blend 2 different types of blues together. That black brush wasn't really like blending all this together. Let's grab that other brush again, and then we're gonna apply more of like that regular blue, like that. I guess it's like sky blue kind of. Now I'm gonna go into that midnight blue. Let me go ahead and quickly just finish blending out this blue, and then we're gonna move on to adding the rest of our clouds. Okay, so I was trying to like do a half moon, but I couldn't, so I just went for a full moon. I'm just gonna go ahead and create clouds around here now. Okay guys, so this is the finished look that we ended up going for. I went ahead and I added like a couple little birds to that, just, you know, to give the look a little bit more to it. And then I just went ahead and blended 2 different blues and like a pink in the center, just because that's the colors, those are the colors that I wanted to go for. Oh, and then for lip gloss, today we are wearing the same one from yesterday's look, which is this Revlon one. The color, I think it's just Supernatural. But I do hope you guys enjoyed watching me create this look for you guys. If you guys did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. Stay up to date with me and all these different types of looks that I try to create on my channel. So this is it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next one.